Namaste. My name is Narasi Reddy. I am the editor-in-chief of STAYFIT Health and Lifestyle Magazine. It's about 10 years ago I had the privilege of meeting Rashmi Aiyappa ji. Met her in their Whitefield office. Around 3 p.m. I walked into the office. I thought about 30 minutes conversation and back to office. But then it was 9 p.m. when we wound up the conversation. It was one single conversation like a waterfall flowing, and we didn't realize 6 hours was spent. Our 6 hours experience was lived very intensely beyond the time and space elements. This is one of the rarest conversations that I've had with somebody like Rashmi ji. So I consider this to be my good fortune. And I want to thank Maithili ji for connecting STAYFIT to Aashwasan. And thereafter I've come to know a lot of healers at Aashwasan, including Ravi ji, Maithili ji, then Priya, and Vidya, and Krisha, George, Robert. There are so many of them, so dedicated, so committed to the work that they do. And so Zero Frequency is yet another program. So I've attended multiple programs and benefited immensely. And also the healing sessions have helped me heal myself at body, mind, spirit level. And my ability to communicate, especially in writing, in ideation and expression, completely got transformed thanks to healing sessions. And I'm deeply indebted to Aashwasan and Rashmi Aiyappa ji. So 18 years of Aashwasan's work we are celebrating today. So in the days ahead, this science will go worldwide and touch lives and create peace, joy and celebration. And that's the hope. And that's Aashwasan, and that's Rashmi Aiyappa ji's creation.